Hello and welcome to our series on understanding your milk statement. If you haven't done so, we recommend that you watch our video on how to calculate milk price first before continuing. This video will examine a milk statement from Dairygold. In this series, we will focus on manufacturing supplies. Please note that bonuses related to liquid or winter milk are not described. I'd like to thank the suppliers who shared their statements with us for the benefit of all. Understandably, we have hidden any sensitive information to respect their privacy. The Dairygold statement consists of 3 pages. The top half of the first page details the volume, composition and quality of the milk supplied in the last 12 months. Dairygold operate a unique bonus system for milk quality, which is described at the right-hand side of the table. Farmers are awarded points based on the results of various tests that indicate milk quality, such as SCC, TBC, lactose, sediment, thermodurics and inhibitors. If a farmer achieved a total score of more than 50 points, they receive a bonus of 0.4 cents per litre. On the second half of the page, details of any contributions to the revolving fund are described on the table at the left-hand side. The table on the right-hand side details share deductions if applicable. The bottom 2 tables outline the volume of milk solids supplied in the month and year to date, and the average fat and protein of milk from the top 10% of suppliers and the bottom 10% of suppliers. The top half of the second page outlines the breakdown in milk price. It describes the price paid per 100 kilograms of protein and the price paid per 100 kilograms of butterfat. It also shows the volume charge at 4 cents per litre. The price is quoted at 3.3% protein and 3.6% fat, and also at 3.4% protein and 4.2% fat. The second table outlines the milk details of how much milk was collected throughout the month and on what dates it was collected. Then, results of TBC tests, SCC tests and thermoduric tests are described. If there is breaches in quality, the deductions are listed in the cent per litre column and the total value is calculated at the right-hand side. The bottom table outlines milk details. This shows the average composition of milk for the society as a whole, and then describes the supplier's own composition for the month and how much kilograms of milk were produced. The meat of the statement is described in the milk value this month table. The value of the milk supplied is described on the first line of the table in terms of cent per litre and the total euro value. Below that are the bonuses for each component of the Dairygold Grassroots Sustainability Scheme. Other seasonal and ad hoc bonuses are then added to the gross milk value. The flat rate addition of VAT is then added to the total sum. The VAT rate changes from year to year. For 2025, the VAT rate is 5.1%. The value of a supplier's milk in terms of cent per litre is then compared with the society average. The bottom of the table lists the statutory levies which are deducted to give a net milk value, which is described in terms of cent per litre and cents per gallon. In the deductions and allowances table, voluntary levies are listed, alongside service charges and share deductions where applicable. These are tallied and deducted from the net milk value. The money is then split, with a transfer to trading indicating the amount of money sent to offset the balance in the trading account held with the agribusiness division. The remaining money is then sent to the bank account. The last page provides supplementary information to the supplier with a detailed breakdown of the composition of the base price. The volume and value of milk supplied for the current month and year to date are then described. While the very last table provides information on the farm's carbon footprint, comparing the most recent audit with the previous year and with the Society's top 10% of suppliers and the average. This is calculated based on information supplied during the ESTAS audit and survey. And that's it. If you have any questions, please email us at info@ifa.ie. Thank you for listening.